2021 newest Dell Inspiron Desktop 3880, Intel Quad-Core i5 to 10400. Click the link below for more info and special 35% discount offer. Upgraded original seal is opened for upgrade only. If the computer has modifications listed above, then the manufacturer box is opened for it to be tested and inspected and to install the upgrades to achieve the specifications as advertised. Authorized Oydisen Bundle bundled with Oydisen Cloth, Authorized Sellers Only. Processor 10th Gen Intel Core i5 to 10400P ROCP SSOR 6-core 12M cache 2.9 GHz to 4.3 GHz. Intel UHD Graphics 630 with shared graphics memory. RAM and storage. RAM is upgraded to 16 GB high bandwidth RAM to smoothly run multiple applications on browser tabs all at once. Hard drive is upgraded to 1 TB solid-state drive. Boot allows to fast boot up and data transfer. Ports 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports 4 USB 2.0 ports 1 headset, headphone and microphone combo, port 1 line out port 1 HDMI 1.4b port 1 VGA port 1 RJ45 Ethernet port. Operating system Windows 10 Home, 64-bit, English. Dell KB216 wired keyboard and Dell MS116 wired mouse are included. 802.11 AC1X1 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.